The Apple Watch 10 jet black color unboxing. So this is the Apple Watch 10. They have this sustainability. It's just a plain white box. Let's open it. Just a simple unboxing experience. So there it is. Simple Apple Watch 10 cover. Now let's open the case. This is the watch and this is a strap. The jet black color, first type. So there's the watch. Let us see what's inside of this. I think this is the charging cable. Yeah, this is the charging. Nothing more than ordinary. The cable here, it is braided, just like the ones in the iPhones. This is some paperwork, but I think there are no stickers inside. Now let us open the Apple Watch. A jet black color, shiny black. I think we'll have to just remove it. There's the watch. Really shiny. It's a very glossy look. It's already attracting fingerprints on it. It's the 42mm model. Aluminium case. And they say this is sapphire glass. So let's keep it aside for a while and open the strap also. There's the matching strap which was available on the Apple store. Only one option was available in the sports stand. There's more paperwork. Nothing more. Let us turn it on for the first time. So now we are back. The Apple Watch is ready to be paired with the iPhone. Mind it, this Apple Watch needs iOS 18 or later only. So I'll set it up fast. I think there it is. And there's the pairing. So we'll meet in the next video and we'll put up the review. This is the Apple Watch 10 jet black 42mm.